This is Melvin 123, frequency locked at 123.0, broadcasting from an undisclosed location deep beneath the static. If you're hearing this, you're one of the few who still can. Signal Intercept Online, transmission code 03. Welcome back, traveler. This one's different. This one walks. You've heard of Bigfoot, Mothman, maybe even the Jersey Devil. But what if I told you something was caught on camera, something with no torso, no face, no explanation? Just two long, pale legs. Welcome to the case of the Fresno Nightcrawler. The year was 2007. A man named Jose set up security cameras after his dogs kept barking into the night. When he reviewed the footage, he found something. Two pale, spindly-legged figures walking awkwardly across his front lawn, no arms, no head, no torso, just legs. They moved like cloth floating in the wind, but they left footprints. The footage was so bizarre, Jose reached out to the paranormal team at Fact or Faked, Paranormal Files. They couldn't explain what it was. They couldn't debunk this. Fast forward to 2011, a similar creature was caught on surveillance in Yosemite National Park. This time, it was even clearer. Two tall, white, lanky figures, again with no upper body, strolling slowly through the trees. The footage came from park rangers trying to catch vandals. Instead, they caught nightmares. The movement was unnatural, fluid, like fabric soaked in ghost light. The footage wasn't leaked by paranormal nuts, it came straight from the source. So, what is the Fresno Nightcrawler? Theory 1, alien scout probes. They don't need heads, they don't need arms. They're just here to observe, maybe collect samples. They're light forms disguised in cloth-like camouflage. Theory 2, spirit entities, possibly related to Native American folklore. Some legends speak of tree spirits or forest protectors with no face, who drift rather than walk. Theory 3, a government psyop, think MKUltra, but in the woods. Create a cryptid, seed a few videos, and watch the panic stew. Test population response to irrational fear. Or maybe, it's a hoax, clever puppetry, CGI, or kids in costume. But if it's fake, why hasn't anyone stepped forward to claim it after all these years? The real question isn't whether the Fresno Nightcrawler is real. It's why it makes us so uncomfortable. It's not violent, it's not monstrous, it just is. Something that defies biology. Something that shouldn't walk, but does. Maybe that's what makes it dangerous, not what it is, but what it reveals. That we still don't know what walks beside us in the dark. Signal intercept terminating. This transmission will self-corrupt in 3, 2, 1. Until next time, travelers, stay off the grid. And keep your eyes on the ground. You might just spot a pair of pants where no pants should be.